Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Vechain, guys. In this video I'm talking about Vechain price update. What's the price of Vechain? What's the price changes occur in the Vechain? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, please, I request everybody that please click the subscribe button right now for more update and news videos about crypto. ABS Tech channel will give you a latest update about crypto, so please don't forget to subscribe. It is time, guys. If we talk about the currently latest price of Vechain in the market, so the currently price is about 0.130111 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Vechain. And other side, if we talk about the changes update of Vechain, so positive 2.15% changes occur in the Vechain. So that means that they are going positive in the market, guys, and especially only yesterday the price of Vechain just dumped for a short time. But don't worry, guys, very soon the changes of Vechain will become positive. Don't worry. Let me show you price chart. You can see, guys, obviously if we look the last 1 month price chart of Vechain, so you can see, guys, 44% the price is in the positive, but unfortunately you can see in the last days of Vechain and the last days of October the price is down. But I believe, guys, that again you found Vechain in the profit, guys. So just hold, guys. Again you found in a positive mode, so just hold, guys, and I believe that for a long time Vechain will continue this kind of positive pump. So I recommend for all holders, for those people who want to invest in a Vechain, I think it's a good time for investment, because I already predicted Vechain that possibilities that in the last 4 or 5 days of October the price will highly pump. So I think it's profit time buy now, and if you are already holder, so I recommend holding. What's your opinion about Vechain? What's your prediction about Vechain? Share in the comment box, and guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.